Okay, so this is going to be a short video. This is your flipped video assignment. We are going to briefly begin 7-3 rational exponents. If you notice, this exponent is a fraction, okay? But what that does is when they're fractions, they turn into something called radicals. This is a square root where this 2, kind of hidden, is right there. And that 1 is right there, okay? I need you to remember this. And it's kind of like a formula, but what this means is if you had an example, let's just say this, 16 to the 1/2. What that means, it's the square root of 16. Okay, well, what does that mean? What number times itself gives you 16? Answer is 4. Okay, this is something you can do in your calculator. Another example is 25 to the 1/2. That is simply the square root of 25. Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25. Therefore, the answer is 5. And if you go the other way, so if you had square root of 18, you can simply say 18 to the 1/2, depending on what the directions are. And another is this is simply 8p to the 1/2. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And sorry, I'll scoot it up a little bit. There we go. So one more thing, and then I will be done. You have something called the nth roots, which means you don't just have the square root. We can have other radicals. So let's just go into, I'll give you 4 examples and then I'll stop for the day. If I have this, that is written, if you follow the formula, 27 to the 1/3. But what happens is this is a number that is multiplied by itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the cubed root of 27 is actually 3. Okay. Here's another. If you rewrite it, this looks like this. That 5 is the same as that 5. This 1 is what is understood to be there. So what this means is in your radical, which is this little house thing, what number times itself 5 times? And you get 2. And I am going to stop there and just understand that we will be talking a lot. You may be wondering, how do I know this so quickly? Well, I'm the teacher, but we need to start recognizing numbers like this. So what I want you to get out of today is that exponents can be fractions, and they are called rational exponents. And that is all for today. Now, what I want you to do is, if you are in first period, I want you to draw a square at end of notes. If you're in second period, I want you to draw a circle. Third, I want you to draw a square, circle, triangle. And then lastly, fourth, draw a rectangle at the end of your notes. Just to clarify, if you're in first period, I want you to draw a square at the end of your notes. Second period, draw a circle. Third period, triangle. Fourth period, rectangle. And I will check these notes tomorrow. Thank you so much.